on guys, and welcome to an NSW Kill 2 Trains Vlogs episode. And today I should be seeing a endeavour bound for Campbelltown, maybe a freight train. And again I'm at Bowral level crossing on this side. This is in the morning, so not the afternoon. That's the Bowral station. So I believe the train's at Bowral right now because I heard a faint horn probably for the level crossing. So the next station for this service will be Bowral, then Mittagong, Bowral's just up the track over there. The level crossing is now going off. Just over here. Here it comes. If you can see a light in the tree, that is it. Endeavour. Two 2810 and 2860. Our train will be stopping at Bowral, followed by Mittagong, Bowral, Fargo, Tamor, Picton, Douglas Park, Menangle Park, MacArthur, and Campbelltown. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like, and I'll see you in the next video. And bye.